yung popkin?
70,
20.
80, 20 ako.
20 ka tapang 60. Sali ka nga patayin.
Ay.
Hi! Video? Ayoko ng video. Kasi na yung...
Lodo, pagkilaban tayo yung kain ni Bitoy.
Yes. Mag-question tayo.
What is the essence of being a gay?
Well, Iris, ay ko tilang bago ko. Hindi tayong karela.
What is the essence of being a third sex?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, before...
Luto lang din ang pangil.
Oo, katuwing mo gay.
O mga yan gay tsura cute eh.
As makalupo.
As magkakaya yan! O Diyos ko! Oo. Kunti mo pa.
Okay, ma'am. So what's the essence of your life?
Well,
Gala-gala yun.
thank you for your beautiful question.
Back to your question.
Your
question is like
what
this.
is my essence?
Obvious. What's the
What is the essence of
my life?
Well, ladies and gentlemen.
Kata ka na gentleman. Ano ba nandyan?
Karoon na rin dyan.
Kamag-anak na ba yata yung Jimmy Santos? Puro well.
Ganet, may tumusado.
Itamin kaya ang kaya. Switch mo.
Okay, what's our essence here?
The essence of being here is to eat a
Yes,
mango.
mango. Hi, mango.
Sweet a lot of
Shit! Cocktails. To be
Bakit?
correct.
Kasi nalilang yebong kanyan. Kaya katanganta.
Yaku mo, baka nakapagal. Hindi ka nasali.
Puta kayo naman. Sana namin tamat eh. Ang ganun taman tayo rin.
Ano yung babi?
Yan, bagok.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Domingo,
I will
sitting-
demonstrate
sitting-
how to eat. Okay. Okay, good afternoon.
Pati ba ng pamo mga bagok?
Paano mga manggo talaga?
O, bilis, bilis.
Okay, ganyan yung payo.
O, bilis! Lalambot, pareho kasi.
Okay, good afternoon.
Umayi ka naman ka!
English Carabao yun.
Nabalo kayo? Ba ng Pilipino?
Okay, good afternoon.
It's a slang. Slang yung asawa.
Hindi na yung accent.
Hindi accent.
Oo.
Mga nanupin.
Ito ang balang...
May itang Islam, may
Good
itang
afternoon,
Islam.
man. Good afternoon to everybody. Something like that.
Tabiasa ko.
Whatever!
Sabi na, valedictorian nyo.
Kaya sabi na,
Sabi
enjoy mo.
na tumakom laude yun.
Oh, silensyo for paber. Okay, let's go.
Okay, as you can see, there is a babi.
Ay, we can say sorry! Spaghetti! Oh, go, 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 go.
Okay, as we can see, there is a
We
babi.
can see, you can see.
Baboy. What's the baboy in English, ma'am? I thought it's pork. Okay, go. Oh, go, go, go.
Okay.
And then...
Ayoko na.
Ayoko na. Okay, stop.
Ay, ka-demonstrate.